The EU energy resilience has not only been hostage to Russian oil and gas in the past 16 years, and I will not analyze here the political decisions made in the EU at the national and organizational level that led to chaining our creative and leading position in research and innovation for technologies, including those of energy. Although the EU is a leader in science, it is a weak performer in developing and investing in innovation. We need Europe to generate as many rapidly increasing innovative companies with worldwide influence as the United States, harnessing emerging technologies, intellectual property, as Chinese individuals and companies do, and have a strong entrepreneurial culture as Israel does. How could we mobilize and apply scientific and technological innovations through entrepreneurship while utilizing our talents and attracting more international talents?